just pretty confident that my oil pump's just let go on me, so I'm going to pull it apart and have a look and see what we find. My first ever tow truck experience with Mitlandia after 4 years of ownership, so absolutely gutted. This is destroyed. Alright guys, so basically all I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull all this crap off, pull the front timing cover off and just confirm that it is an oil pump. If it does end up being an oil pump, I think I'm going to go down the late model Ford Territory route and just get a new engine from a Wreckers. I just spoke to someone from Aztec 4x4 in Perth. He seems like a really knowledgeable and friendly bloke, and he reckons that's definitely the best option to go down for us over here in Australia. So let's pull this cover off. Alright guys, timing covers off and yep, my oil pump has shit the tin. Well, there's not much I can do about the wind, sorry, but there's my tensioner. It's 100% snapped. And there's the big gaping hole in my oil pump. So, it's a pretty easy job to get the timing cover off. You can see all your bolts here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in the middle. That's the bracket, which is this one here, and then 15. So it's 15 bolts, I think, maybe 16. I think I might have missed one just then. Apart from that, you need to drain your coolant, get these hoses off of your coolant crossover, and pull off your intake and fan. Anyway, I'm going to go chase up an engine. Alright guys, so I got an engine from Tony's Auto Wreckers in Midland. It cost me $44.50 delivered to my door. So out of a 2012, as that's the only one he had there, 189,000 Ks, so not as low as what you normally get, but that's the only one I can see at the moment. So that's all right. I will end up probably recruiting my old boy and getting him to give us a hand, or just do the big end and conrod bearings. And then I've just got an assortment of gaskets and stuff to swap over, because with these territories you got to swap over pretty much all your external gear. So your sump, they go from a six groove belt to an 8 groove belt, so all your accessory drives and all that need to be changed as well. And more so for me, my fuel system stuff has to be swapped, because I'm pre-2006, so I need to do injectors and fuel pump. Yeah, so far we've spent $44.50 on the engine, and my first parts order, which is general stuff, exhaust gaskets, sump gaskets, new turbo hoses, exhaust gaskets, all that crap, and an oil pump, because I'm not doing that again, $668. So yeah, I'll just be keeping a live tally for you guys each episode of totals spent on the engine replacement, just so you guys get a rough idea of what it's going to cost you. And yeah, bye.